Hey, this is Christian Montalvo. This video is for about 225, week number 6. The name of this experiment is called Environmental Influences on Microbial Growth. This is the salt tolerance and pH testing. This is the exercise number 2. So first we're gonna get close here and I'm gonna explain a little bit, go over a few things I have here. So I have the regular broth nutrients label pH 5, pH 7, and pH 9. So first of all, with each of the both bacteria we're going to be working, which is the epidermidis bacteria, pH 5, and the other one is the yeast, pH 5 yeast. So what we're going to do first, we're going to adjust the pH from this broth. Actually the pH from this broth is 7. So at number 7 we're not gonna adjust it because it's already 7, but we're gonna adjust number 5 and 9 by adding to number 5 we're gonna add hydrochloric acid, which is the HCl, and to adjust to this broth to pH 9 we're gonna add sodium hydroxide or NaOH to this broth. So first we're gonna do that. So we're gonna open the 5s and I'm gonna sterilize it. 1, 5. I'm gonna sterilize it. So now we're gonna add 1 drop of HCl into each vial. So I want to make sure it's only 1 drop. Okay. So 1 drop. There you go. Now I'm going to put it back here. Then I'm going to sterilize it again and close it. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. We're gonna add 1 drop, exactly 1 drop. I'm gonna sterilize it and close it again. We're gonna do the same thing to adjust the pH for pH 9, from pH 7 to pH 9. We have 1, and we have the second one here. Okay, in this case we're gonna put the sodium hydroxide, 1 drop as well, to adjust it. 1 drop. I'm gonna sterilize it to close it. With the cup. I'm gonna do the same thing with pH 9. Oh, this is already sterilized, so sodium chloride pH 9, 1 drop. There you go. Before closing it, I'm gonna sterilize it. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it, make sure they mix together. So now we're gonna pipette each culture into each one of this, or into each one of these broth that are already adjusted to the right pH level. So the first one, and we're gonna add 2 drops of the epidermidis into all these 3. The epidermidis that we have here. Okay, so for that I'm gonna have to open this, sterilize it again, all 3 of them. And We're gonna epidermitis. This is the light culture. I'm gonna sterilize it as well. And now I'm gonna pipette. Pipette. Good amount of it. And I'm gonna sterilize it and close it. So we'll get these out of the way. Okay. And I'm gonna grab the first one. I'm gonna have 2 drops. Let's see if I can. 1, 2. I'm gonna close it. That's the first one. I'm gonna do the second one. 2 drops. I'm gonna sterilize it. There's 2. I'm gonna do the last one. Oops, I forgot to put this pipette the 2 drops. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna sterilize it. I'm gonna close it. Alright, that's number 3 for epidermitis. Now we're gonna do the same thing for the last 3, but this is for the gist. So I'm gonna, before I completely open that one, I'm gonna change gloves because I'm gonna be working with different bacteria. And I always like to do that just because I don't want to introduce the other bacteria into the other vials. So we'll do that again. 1. 2. And the last one. 3. Oops. Okay. Now we got the gist. Give it a shake. So we sterilize it as well. And we're gonna pipette. Pipette some amount out of it. Okay, I'm going to close it, sterilize it. There we go. Just now we're going to do the same thing that we did. We're going to do 2 drops. 1, 2. And sterilize it. Close the bottom. Shake. Do the second one. And now 2 drops. 1, 2. Very good. I'm going to sterilize it. Close it. Now we'll do the last one. 2 drops. That was air. 1, 2. Now we'll close it. Then we're gonna take a picture of this before incubation. We're gonna leave it for 24 hours. But if the color is still the same clear, we're gonna leave it for another 24 hours for a total of 48. And then I'm gonna take a picture after, and then I'm gonna upload it into the table. So thank you, and I hope to see you soon.